Hello guys, welcome. Today I want to teach you how to create a spreadsheet in Google Chrome. They are very simple steps, so please stay focused. So the first thing that you're supposed to do is to open your Google Chrome. The second one is to click on the right corner here so that you access your Google Drive. So click on the Google Drive. Now after clicking on the Google Drive, it will open your drive like this. Now go to my drive. At this arrow, click on that arrow, move downward up to where we have more. Now on the more, there are some options that appears when you place your cursor at this arrow. So we want this option 2, which deals with Google Sheets. So the first one is Google Documents, we have Google Slides and so forth. So today we are interested in Google Sheets. So move to this arrow. There are two options that comes up. We have the blank spreadsheet and from template. So we want to create a spreadsheet, so we click on blank spreadsheet. So after clicking on the blank spreadsheet, it comes up a very nice spreadsheet, the same with the one that we deal with in Microsoft Excel. This is the same spreadsheet, the same value, the same ribbon, everything is the same. So the first thing that you do when you open this is to label or to name your spreadsheet. So where do you name the spreadsheet? At the top here, at the left top corner. So you click that, you now write your spreadsheet. You can say this is a mark list. I say a mark list. This is a mark list for form 1. Maybe you can say this is a mark list for form 1. Then when you click and it will save. It is saving right now. It has saved mark list form 1. So when you look at the spreadsheet, remember we have the cells here. We still have the cells. We have the numericals. We have the cells. We have ABCD up to Z to show the sheet and how to label. So that means you are able to label your cell. So you can also add another sheet or whatever you want to do. It is the same sheet that we do. So after doing this, you can now share this sheet to your colleagues. Maybe you are in a working institution, maybe in a school or an organization. You want to share some information, or you want to share a link that people should key in some information. So you can now share this spreadsheet to your colleagues. So there are two ways of sharing. You can either share through emails, whereby you can click here. You can either add an email or use the emails that are here. For example, you want to share to somebody whom you have an email already. You can just go here and click the email that you want. Another way of sharing is by copying the link. There is a link here, just down here, get link. So you can just copy your link. When you copy your link, you can now paste in any media that you want to use to share the link. So the person receives the link. That means that he can access this spreadsheet called mark list form 1. He keys in the information that you need, then it will reflect on your side. So this is one way of accessing information, very simple. Mostly it's done in schools. Maybe students have done exams, they need marks. They can share marks through this. Instead of going to the Microsoft Office, all of us to the one computer doing typing and doing this. So this is the best thing. You can work it through your phone or your laptop at home. So this is how we can we create spreadsheets using Google Chrome. Very easy and simple steps. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.